Welcome back everyone, this is the Detail Devil, and in today's video we're going to look at how to detail a car engine. So as you can see, this Jeep Rubicon has a pretty dirty engine, very dusty, so I'm going to show you how to clean it. So these are all the supplies we're going to need, and yeah, as you can see, it's not that many. So we have a degreaser in the bottle, we have the chemical guys VRP, a detail brush, a microfiber applicator, some microfiber towels, a hose, and the steamer. Alright, so the first step after you have all your materials ready is to actually lightly rinse off. Actually, I want to say that because it's important not to blast water into everything, meaning using the power washer, because some of the things in the engine, such as the battery and some of the tubing, you don't want to force water into. So I'm putting it on the shower mode of the hose, and I'm just giving it a light rinse, which is going to drain any of that loose dust and debris off the top. And then you'll see me spray a liberal amount of this degreaser, more than I put on the tire, which is amazing. I don't even know how that's possible. Anyway, enjoy how much I spray on, and then I'll catch back to you in a little bit. Alright, I know that was like a second, but now we're going around with this detail brush, and we're just going to get in all the cracks and crevices, going around all the plastics, getting in all the tubing with the degreaser on it. And then after that, we're going to follow up with the steamer, blast anything else that I can't reach away, and then we'll rinse it off, dry it, and then you'll see when we apply the VRP how shiny it makes it. Alright, one of the last steps, we're just going to apply some chemicalized VRP, make everything shiny on all the plastics, and then I'll show you the before and after pictures. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that detail, and have a very, very happy Thanksgiving, and remember to be safe.